Hi students, this is Dinesh here. Today we are going to discuss exercise 5.2 question number 3. Find the equation of the hyperbola in each of the cases given below. The first one, foci plus or minus 2, 0 and eccentricity 3 by 2. So first I am going to take x-axis and y-axis. So the given foci plus or minus 2, 0, so 2, 0 and minus 2, 0. S is equal to 2, 0 and S dash equal to minus 2, 0. So the distance between center and foci, that is equal to AE. So already know AE, 0, focus plus or minus AE, 0. So AE equal to what? 2. So that's why I written here AE is equal to 2 and given eccentricity equal to what? 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 I am going to substitute here. A into 3 by 2, that is equal to 2. So now 3a is equal to 2 2s are 4. Now a is equal to 4 by 3. So now a square is equal to 16 by 9. So already know eccentricity and a square value. If you know, the formula is there. We know that the formula b square is equal to a square into e square minus 1. So now a square is equal to what? 16 by 9. A square equal to 16 by 9 and e square value already know 9 by 4 because e is equal to 3 by 2 and e square equal to 9 by 4 minus 1. So now 16 by 9 into 9 minus 4, the whole divided by 4, and 4 and 16 get cancelled. This one time, this is what? 4 times. So 4 by 9 into 9 minus 4, that is equal to what? 5. So 4 5s are 20 by 9. So that is what? B square is equal to what? 20 by 9. Already you know a square and so now equation of hyperbola. What's the formula? The transverse axis is what? Along x-axis. So that's why we have to use this formula. So equation of hyperbola, x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to what? 1. So now x square by a square equal to what? 16 by 9 minus y square by b square equal to what? 20 by 9. So now 9 I am going to take the numerator. Here also 9 I am going to take numerator. So 9x square by 16 minus 9y square by 20 is equal to what? 1. So this is the answer for this first subdivision. Next we have second subdivision. Here center is given 2, 1 and one of the foci is given 8, 1 and corresponding directrix x is equal to 4. First I am going to take x-axis and y-axis, center 0, 0. The given center is what? 2, 1. So x is lying 2 in 1. So this is the new given center 2, 1. So now I draw x-axis and y-axis. Here I put x dash and y dash. So this is what? Center 2, 1. The next one of the foci is given 8, 1. So x la 8 inga irukum, 1 inga irukum. So that's why s is equal to 8, 1. So already know the distance CS is equal to what? So C means center and S is equal to foci. The distance between center and foci, that is equal to AE. So we have to use this distance formula. AE is equal to CS is equal to AE. So distance between center and foci. So distance between 2 points, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So 8 minus 2 the whole square, 1 minus 1 the whole square. So square root of 6 square. So square and square root get cancelled. So CS is equal to what? 6. So CS means AE. So A is equal to what? 6. So the next A by E. A by E means what? Directrix. So directrix சொல்லும்போது x is equal to 4 இருக்கு. So A by E value 2 because this is the so இங்க find out பண்ணிருப்போம். A by E is equal to what? 2. So Here a is equal to what? 2e in equation 1. I am going to substitute in equation 1. So a by e is equal to 2 என்றது எப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னா இந்த distance between center and ஸோ இங்கேருந்து பார்க்கும்போது 4 யூனிட்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ இங்கேருந்து பார்க்கும்போது 4 யூனிட்ஸு. ஸோ இதில் பார்க்கும்போது பிகாஸ் த டைரக்ட்ரிக்ஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு வாட் 4 யூனிட்ஸ். ஸோ அதில் பாதி தான் என்னது? ஸோ இந்த டிஸ்டன்ஸ். ஸோ இங்கே வரைக்கும் டூ யூனிட்ஸ் முடிஞ்சிச்சு. ஸோ ரிமைனிங் 2 யூனிட்ஸ் தான் ஏ பை இ. ஸோ அதான் இங்கே ஏ பை இ இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 2 எடுத்துருக்கேன். பிகாஸ் இந்த ஃபுல் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் தான் கிவன் 4ன்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ இங்கேருந்து இதனுடைய சென்டர் வந்து 2 யூனிட்ஸ்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க. இப்போ ரிமைனிங் இருக்கிறது a by e is equal to 2. So that's why I am going to take a by e is equal to 2 and a is equal to 2e. So இதை எடுத்து ஃபஸ்ட் ஈக்குவேஷன் அப்ளை பண்ணுறேன். ஏக்கு பதிலாக என்ன பண்ண போகிறேன்? 2e into e is equal to 6. 2e square is equal to 6 and e square is equal to 6 divided by 2, that is equal to 3. So e square equal to 3 and e is equal to root 3. So already know a is equal to 6 and e I am going to substitute here. A root 3 is equal to 6. So a is equal to 6 divided by root 3. So a is equal to root 3 ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி டிவைட் பண்ணுறேன். ஸோ 6 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3. So 6 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 value 3. So 3 and 6 get cancelled. So 2 root 3. So 2 root 3. So that is what? A. And a square is equal to square பண்ணும்போது 2 square பண்ணும்போது 4. root 3 square பண்ணும்போது 3. 4 3s are 12. So a square value 12. So already know a square and e value. E is equal to root 3. So now you know the formula b square is equal to what? B square is equal to a square into e square minus 1. So e square by a square value 12. 12 minus e square value 3. Because e value root 3. E square சொல்லும்போது 3 minus 1. So 4 3 that is what? 12. 12 into 2 24. So b square is equal to what? 24. So already know the formula. Equation of hyperbola with the center h comma k given. So x minus h the whole square by a square minus y minus k the whole square by b square. இது வந்து the transverse axis what? Parallel to x axis. So இங்க parallel to x axis. That's why we have to use this formula. So x minus h the whole square by a square minus y minus k the whole square by b square is equal to what? 1. So here h and k means what? Center. So 2 comma 1. So x minus 2 the whole square by a square value 12 minus y minus 1 the whole square by b square value equal to what? 24. That is equal to what? 1. So this is the required equation of hyperbola. Clear? Okay children. And next we have third subdivision. So third subdivision is what? Passing through the point 5 comma minus 2. 5 comma minus 2 and the length of transverse axis along x axis and length is 8 units. So transverse axis நோடைய length கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, passing through the points கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அந்த transverse axis எப்படி இருக்குன்னா along x axis. So first I am going to draw x axis and y axis. So the point is what? First the given transverse axis is what? 2a. Length of transverse axis is 2a, that is equal to 8 and a equal to what? 4. So already know the 4. So that is what? Vertices. A and the vertices. So 4 comma 0 and minus 4 comma 0. So that is vertices. So along transverse axis along x axis சொல்லும்போது equation of hyperbola that is equal to what? X square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. This is equation of hyperbola. So it passes through the point is given 5 comma minus 2 and already know a value. Now I am going to substitute. Passes through the point 5 comma minus 2. So 5 square by a square minus y value minus 2 square by b square is equal to 1. Already know a square is equal to what? 16. So that's 25 square value 25 by a square value 4 square minus 2 square value 4 by b square value b square is equal to 1. So 25 by 16 minus, I am going to take this 1 in this side and this value I am going to take right hand side. So 25 by 16 minus 1 is equal to what? Minus and the plus 4 by b square. So take LCM. 16 25 minus 16 the whole divided by 16 is equal to 4b square. So 25 minus 16 9 by 16, that is equal to 4 by b square. So now I am going to take this and this I am going to take right side. So 9b square, that is equal to 4 into 16. So b square is equal to 4 into 16, that is equal to 64. 64 by 9. So now x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. This is the hyperbola. Now I am going to substitute that a value and b value. So a is equal to what? 4, and b is equal to b square value 64 by 9. So now x square by a square value 4 square minus y square by b square value 64 by 9, that is equal to 1. So now x square by 16 minus this 9 I am going to take numerator. So 9y square by 64, that is equal to 1. So this is the answer for this third subdivision. Okay, clear? Okay children, thank you for cooperating. Thank you.